If you watch a lot of YouTube like me, then sometimes you'll find yourself wanting to skip through certain parts of the video or even going back to repeat a segment. Sometimes it can be a little fiddly dragging the dot around to where you want to go on the video. So on today's video, which is tips, tricks and hacks on watching YouTube, I'll show you quick ways to navigate around a video using a combination of gestures on your device as well as some great keyboard shortcuts on your computer to effortlessly navigate YouTube. On your phone or tablet, if you want to skim back or forward through large amounts of a video, your best bet is still to tap and hold on the red dot and drag the slider like this. But if you want to skip forwards only a small amount, you can do that quickly by just double tapping the right side of the screen here to move forward 10 seconds. You can see on the screen here it says 10 seconds with a fast forward graphic there. And each time you double tap, you'll go forward 10 seconds. This works for going backwards as well. Again in 10-second increments. If you want to skip forward a little faster though, then you can just double tap but then continue tapping just as fast or nearly as fast, and each individual tap will move you forwards or backwards in 10-second increments. Keep an eye on the total number of seconds there so you don't go forwards or backwards too much. Also, when you tap the screen, be careful not to be tapping the big rewind button near the center or the fast forward button, because if you tap one of these, you'll go to the next or previous video in the queue, which is probably not what you want. And if you accidentally do so, when you come back to the video you were watching, you'll be taken right back to the start, which is again what you probably don't want. Moving on to doing this on the computer, you may think it's easy enough just to use the mouse to navigate around the YouTube video, but I guarantee you once you start using keyboard shortcuts to navigate your video, you'll be using them all the time, as they are just much faster and more accurate than using just a mouse or touchpad. So get used to these three keys, J, K and L. Each tap of the L key will fast forward 10 seconds and tapping the J key will rewind 10 seconds. The K button will pause and then play your video again. You'll know why J, K and L are great if you're any sort of touch typist, because J is the home key and is easy to find without looking due to the ridge on the J here. Also a bit of trivia, the J, K and L keys have long been used in video editing software to navigate through videos and timelines. This whole skipping around to navigate comes in handy when you want to repeat a key point in a video, pun intended, or if you know that a channel has their subscribe to my channel pitch coming up that goes for around 20 or 30 seconds and you want to blast straight through that. So I challenge you now to quickly try out the skip shortcuts either on your device or the computer, because here comes the pitch for this channel. If you like this content, then please hit that like button below and also subscribe while you're down there for more videos just like this. Please also share this video with your friends who you know binge watch YouTube, because it's really going to help them out too, and that's going to help me out also. Okay, you can stop skipping now. This next keyboard shortcut may sound kind of silly, but you can also use the number keys on the keyboard to skip to a certain section of a video. 0 being the start, 5 being halfway, and 9 being near the end. You probably won't use this as much, but if you remember to do it when this is warranted, you'll also find it very convenient. Try pressing a few numbers now on your keyboard if you're watching on the computer. Now, along with J, K and L, you can also use the arrow keys left and right to navigate. I think this will be more intuitive to many people. The left and right keys though will only move you forward and back in just 5-second increments instead of the 10 you get with J, K and L. While we're on the arrow keys for YouTube shortcuts, did you know you can quickly fine-tune the volume with the up and down arrow keys? Handy, eh? Oh, and you can also quickly mute a video by pressing the M key on your keyboard. Did you know that YouTube sets your video quality setting to low or auto by default, even if you're connected to Wi-Fi? We'll watch this video next to learn how to disable this YouTube auto quality setting and set it so that YouTube plays every single video you watch in a high resolution by default.